5,988 for a Chinese feast na merong 10-course dishes. We had a pre-celebration ng Mother's Day and nandito kami ngayon sa King Chef. They offer set menus and Ma'am chose set C. Kasama na dyan itong tableside carving ng Peking duck. It is cooked in two ways. The first one is the roasted Peking duck carved in front of you and then wrapped with Chinese grapes. Favorite ito ni Mama and dinadagdagan niya ng hoisin sauce. The second one is minced duck wrapped with lettuce. Ito naman yung kinaadikan ko. To start our meal, we have 8 treasures winter melon soup, steamed swahe na laging fresh, juicy and plump. Ito namang spicy braised pampano is sweet, savory na may konting anghang. Bursting with umami naman itong halaan with chili tausi. And the sauteed squid in exo sauce is nice and tender. We also have the soya cake with mushroom in abalone sauce. At syempre kasama dyan ang birthday noodles na favorite ni Mama. For our drinks, we try the golden mango chia sunrise, blushing dragon smoothie, blueberry ginger lemonade and choco banana earth shake. Then finally for dessert, kasama na ang chocolate buchi. This whole set is good for 6 pero sa dami niyan, I think kasha ang 8. Kaya this coming Mother's Day, treat your mom dito na sa King Chef.